What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a DIY clarifying herbal shampoo recipe that will cleanse and refresh your natural hair. For this recipe, I'm using Reetha, also known as soap nuts. Soap nuts are natural cleansers that resemble soap. They can be used to wash clothes or as a shampoo for your hair. Next, I'm using moringa leaves. Moringa is one of the top vegetable sources of iron. Iron helps to boost oxygen circulation in the blood all the way to your scalp. When your scalp has sufficient supply of oxygen, your hair follicles grow better. Next, I'm using an Ayurvedic mixture of amla, aritha, and shikakai powder for additional benefits. Lastly, in this recipe, I'm using African black soap. African black soap acts as a clarifying agent to gently get rid of scalp buildup while maintaining your natural pH. African black soap is also an antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory hair remedy that originates from West Africa. I purchased my black soap from my local African market. To make our herbal shampoo, we first need to remove the Reetha seeds from the shell. This process can be tricky, so take your time. I used about 7 Reetha pods in this recipe. Add the Reetha shells to 4 cups of boiling distilled water and let simmer for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what the mixture looks like. And now it's time to add our other ingredients. I added the moringa leaves, then a tablespoon each of amla, aritha, and shikakai powder. Lastly, I added about a cup of African black soap. Mix all of the ingredients until well combined and let simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, strain the shampoo to transfer into an applicator bottle. Look how much lather is coming off from the shampoo, y'all. You can skip this step here, but I'm adding a few drops of horsetail extract to the shampoo. Horsetail is one of my favorite herbs and is high in silica that helps to strengthen your hair follicles. Next, I'm adding a few drops of peppermint oil to encourage blood flow, as well as ginger to invigorate the scalp. If you have excess shampoo, Place the remaining liquid in a mason jar or airtight container and place in a freezer. This shampoo can be stored in the fridge for up to a week. Now that our shampoo is all set, let me show you how I used it. I'm starting off on week-old dry hair. I had my hair in 2 large twists, and this is what it's looking like before shampooing. I was going to Prepoo, but I wanted to show you guys how the shampoo worked directly on my hair without any Prepoo treatments. After drenching my hair with some warm water, it's time to apply the shampoo. The shampoo is very runny compared to other shampoos I've used before, but don't let the consistency fool you. Look at the lather that I'm getting from this shampoo, y'all. As soon as it touched my hair, it started to lather immediately, and the peppermint and ginger that's in here feels so good. This is definitely a clarifying shampoo, so be sure to focus on your scalp and also the length of your hair if you're looking to get rid of product buildup. So y'all, I know the consistency of the shampoo is really runny, and you probably don't think it would be as effective, but y'all, the way my scalp was feeling while I was using the shampoo and after I rinsed it out, it felt amazing. It got rid of the buildup that I had on my scalp and also on my hair. My scalp felt like it was able to breathe because of that peppermint. And also the African black soap by itself, it really does a good job at clarifying your hair. But in addition to adding the Ayurvedic herbs and the powders, I think it really stepped it up and made it much better just by adding those other components. But if you're looking to make your own shampoo that is clarifying to help get rid of gunk and buildup, definitely try this recipe and let me know what you think, because the ingredients in here are super natural. You know exactly what's in them, and they also have amazing benefits. And let me know down in the comments if you would give this herbal shampoo a try and what other ingredients would you add to yours. So I used about half of the shampoo to cleanse my hair. I also shampooed twice just to really make sure that everything was off my scalp. This is what my hair looks like after rinsing out the shampoo. If you're going to recreate this recipe, you want to make sure you follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. You don't want to skip this step because this shampoo really strips your hair and gets it really clarified. So you want to balance that up with a moisturizing deep conditioner so that your hair doesn't stay dry. You want to add those hydrating components, and for that, I'm using this deep conditioner from Neges Banda. I have a full wash day using this brand. I'll leave the video in the cards if you want to check it out. But I'm using this deep conditioner in order to add moisture back into my hair and to keep everything hydrated. I applied the deep conditioner to 2 sections and then twisted them up, and then I placed a plastic cap. After that, I just did my regular shower routine and then washed out the deep conditioner.
Inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe.
Y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like with the deep conditioner being rinsed out. My scalp is clean, it's moisturized now with this deep conditioner, and it feels really good.
I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love.
that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know that in the comments what you think of my herbal shampoo. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.